tout le monde, alors aujourd'hui je voulais vous dire que je vais vous faire, un petit prank, comme ça, à peu près, un petit prank, puis ouais, donc je vais chercher, donc je pense que c'est ça, non c'est pas ça, voilà, c'est quelque part, moi je sais quelque part. Oh my god, il y a Julie Games. C'est Julie Games. Alors, je filme. Je vais dire que je filme. J'espère qu'elle va répondre. Je cherche. Alors?
Allô?
Je filme.
Ah, coucou YouTube.
Chacha, est-ce que tu pourrais mettre le truc d'Apple?
Ok.
Parce que je filme pour ça. Ok. D'accord, alors, chut, ok.
Welcome to Apple. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. I'm an automated system that can handle complete sentences. So tell me, how can I help you today?
Appelle seulement.
I broke my phone.
Okay, I'll get you right over to someone in our technical support area to help with your iPhone.
Oh, cool.
Sarah, tu filmes?
Ouais.
800 My iPhone. Calls are recorded for evaluation and training.
Para español, oprima 9.
Now I'd like to get the IMEI number from your phone. This will just take a few steps.
I don't have IMEI number phone.
Je pense.
Was that? I'm
Il
ready.
faut commencer avec 930 au téléphone.
I don't have IMEI number phone.
I'm having some trouble. Let me get someone to help you.
Okay, thank you.
C'est vide, hein. Donc je suis célibataire.
Hi, thank you for calling Apple Care. My name is Maine, your call director for today. May I know your name, please? Hey, I broke my phone. Okay, you broke your phone? Yeah. Correct. Okay. Okay, so may I know your name, please, so I can address you properly? Why? I'm sorry? Why you want my name? So, I just pulling the information here and connect you over to our experts who can further assist you. Okay. Okay, so, okay, thank you for the information. Can you just, I know this is important for you to do this, but don't worry, I will be connecting you over to our technical expert. Can you just provide me the IMEI number of the phone?
Oh my god.
I don't have IMEI number. Okay. Is the phone with you that's having this concern, the broken phone?
Oh
yeah, he is with me. Is it with you? Okay. Can you just look at the back of your phone and then the Apple logo? Yeah. The IMEI number there. Can you read that one? Wait. 16 GB. I'm sorry, see at the back of the phone?
Wait. Yeah. They have a back of the phone.
And then can you see on the bottom part?
No. What?
On the bottom part, underneath the Apple logo?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please check out if there's an IMEI number written there?
No, it just has Apple logo and they don't have anything else. Donc vous avez un YouTube de Fanny, il faut les lire aussi.
Okay, after the Apple logo, can you see the small print or the small letters and numbers on the bottom part?
No, they have anything.
Okay, what about the Apple ID? Can you provide me that one or the email address?
What?
The Apple ID or the email address for that phone?
I don't have because I just bought it and after broke.
Okay, so for us to proceed transferring your call and get assistance from a technical expert, we really need to pull up any account information. So if you could provide me that one, you can give us a call back, okay?
What?
You can call us again if you already have the serial number or the IMEI number of the phone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for calling Apple Care. Have a great day.
Shut up. Qu'est-ce que t'as dit? Regarde, qu'est-ce qu'elle a dit? Pourquoi t'as dit ça? On n'a pas écouté.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello. Is there anything I could help you?
No. They just have my phone. That broke because my phone have wings.
Okay, so your phone is broken. Can you provide me the IMEI number?
I say I don't have IMEI number.
What about the email address?
But I don't have.
Okay, can you just... Okay, what about the phone number of the phone?
But I just bought it after broke. I don't have number phone.
What about the phone number of the iPhone?
I say I don't have.
Okay, give us a call back when you already have the IMEI number, okay?
But my iPhone broke. How do you want I have an IMEI number?
It should be written on the back of the device. Okay, can you spell out your first and last name for me?
Kaka Buddha. Oui. Oui. T'as entendu? T'as dit caca. Elle m'a dit, c'est quoi ton nom et ton nom et ton dernier nom? Elle m'a dit, caca. Donc je tourne toujours. T'as dit caca. Oh my god. Oh, c'est pas grave. Donc c'est ça, vous avez vraiment pas beaucoup de coco YouTube, mais si ça pour la vidéo, je vous vois à la prochaine. Peace. Dis bye.